if you are looking for a way to buy meme coins on Tom blockchain, I suggest you should use this swap, which is called the Ston.fi. Okay, this is one of the #1 DEX keys on Tom blockchain, and you want to use it. And for you to be able to use it, first thing you have to do is to download your Keeper wallet. Okay, this is what I normally use. I use my Keeper wallet. The next thing is to fund your Keeper wallet. Okay, fund your Ton wallet. Like as you can see right now, this is the total amount of Ton I currently have in these wallets right now. So, and I want to swap it to a meme coin which I want to purchase. And the meme coin I'm going to use for the sake of this tutorial is called the UTYAB, and which are all-time high of about 5 million market cap and is now at 4.12. And this is kind of a good buy because what these guys are building are extremely. I've checked their website and I think they have the swap, they have the kind of bridge, stake, fiat, something like that though. So I think they are building something. So I think this should be their own tokens. So that's what I do. Let us proceed on how we can buy it. First thing you have to do is to copy the smart contract. Okay. After you copy the smart contract, you want to go directly to this Lexis, okay? And you are going to click on swap, okay? After you click on swap, you want to go to here, right here, click on Stone and paste that smart contract and click on this one. And this is how it's going to show, okay? Now you can input the amount you want to buy. As you can see, this is the amount that you are going to get. So let us click on swap and click on, as you can see, we have pending right there. Click on swap. Click on confirm, input your password. Boom. So that is how it works for this one. Okay, that's how it works for this one. All you just need to do, #1 is download your Keeper wallet. After you find your Keeper wallet, go to this website app.stone.fi. Okay, after you get to this website, you have to connect your wallet, which is also important. After you connect your wallet, you have to go to get the smart contract of whatever meme coin or any type of coin that you want to purchase. Okay, as you can see, and before you can even see their the list of coin that they have on their decks. Okay, on their dexes, you can see the list of coin they have on their dexes. So if it's not there, I urge you to copy the smart contract immediately, which is so much advisable. Copy the smart contract of that token or coin or meme coin that you would like to purchase. Copy it and paste it right there, as you can see. So these are what is already on this chain. Okay, so you don't want to go. So let us search for UTYAB. So as you can see, this one UTYAB. You can see the one UTYAB. Okay, and this is what we are looking for. But for you to be on the server side, it's better for you to go and do your research and copy the smart contract and paste it right here. Okay, so that is how it is, how you can swap using the Stone.fi to buy your meme coins. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.